can't get her out there as well now. She's too big.
Come on, Tweet. Come on, Tweet. We'll have a bath. Come on. No, come on. Have a bath. Come on. Come on, Tweet. Come on, girl. Good girl. Come on. No, you don't pay that, you have a bath. Come on. Have your bath. Come on. You've been out all day. You're a dirty bugger. Come on. Come on, Tweet. Have your bath. Come on then.
I've never
There's a
seen
good
her
girl.
at the bath.
There's a good girl.
I've never seen
Come on
it.
then. Come on then. There you go. Oh, Tweet. Come on. Come on, Tweet.
Tweet, you've lost your copybook.
Tweet.
She's already
Oh, Jane, quick.
What? Oh. She doesn't know this room.
No, she doesn't know this room now.
She's got to explore, hasn't she? You know, while you're doing that, should I go and empty her cage?
Yeah, you could do.
Clean it.
Yeah, go on then. We'll give it a bit
But
of clean.
I will miss the bird. If she, it'll be typical. She'll have a bath while I've gone, won't you?
Come on, Tweet. Tweet, come on. Come on. Come in. Come on then. She's looking at you two, photographing her.
She's
Videoing.
camera shy, Gary.
She's camera shy. Come on, Tweet.
I'll turn this off. Then.
She's investigating. She's investigating because
Oh,
it's a
she'll
new,
go and shit in your slipper.
it's a new room. Come on. Come on then.
No, I won't clean the cage.
Come
Put yourself
on.
in.
There's a good girl. Come on, Tweet. Tweet. Come on.
The tail has doubled in size.
Yes, come on. You're going to go in there then? You're going to go in here? You're a good girl, aren't you? Come on then. Let's have a tweet. Come on, let's have a... Come on. You need a bath, girl.
I'll just show her how to do it, Gary. You get in.
Come on. Come on.
Excuse me.
Come on. That's it. Watch yourself, Jane, because she's nearly in the bath. That's it, go away. Come on then. No, you don't. That's it, good girl. No, Jane, Jane. Good girl. That's it, come on then. That's it, good girl. Yeah, good girl, you're a good girl. Come on. That's it, good girl. Come on then. Come on, that's it, good girl. Good girl. That's it, that's the way. Come on then, that's it. Go on, have your bath. That's it, good girl. That's it, good girl. That's it, that's better. That's what we want to see. Hey, good girl. Yeah, did you walk in? Come on. No, she's all right. Good girl, Tweet. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. That's it, good girl.
I wonder why she doesn't fly.
Good girl, Tweet. Good girl. Good girl. Well, you're a good girl, aren't you? Hey?
Green.
Hey? That's
You knew I was going out, that's why.
Hey.
That's it now.
Is that it? Oh yes, you want to dry off now. Watch you shake yourself, watch. Shake yourself then. Come on. Shake yourself. Shake. What, you going to go in again? You going in again? Go on then. That's it, good girl. That's it. Good girl. Good girl, Tweet. Good girl. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. Yeah. You're smashing me up, Tweet. It's a good job it's only water. Hey. There's a good girl. What a character. What a character, eh?
You're
Hey.
going out having a drink as well. And suit yourself, isn't it?
My opinion about birds has certainly changed. Eh? Good girl. You're not as stupid as people think, are you? Eh? Good girl. Come on then. You're coming on me then. Come on then. Oh. Well, you want some more? No, she's had enough. Had enough, Tweet. You had enough? You had enough? I bet she wants something to eat now. She wants something to eat now. Oh dear. Good girl, Tweet. Good girl. You're going to fly away now? You're going to fly away? You're coming to me? What are you coming to me for?
This is all my money.
Eh? Want some food? Do you want to, do you want to, come on then. Have a mealworm.
Just put the tray down, put that down.
Oh, there she goes.
I'll stop that.
Tweet?
I shall go and clean this.
Want some treat? Have something to eat then. You've had a bath now. You've been a good girl, haven't you?
Push that.
Hey?
away.
Pardon?
I'll go and clean
You're
this.
going to look in the mirror at yourself. Hey? You're going to beautify yourself in the mirror now. Hey? Come on then. Have some grub. Have some grub. Hey, come on. Come on then. Have some mealworms. There's a good girl. Hey, Jeep's a good, Tweet's a good girl. Come on, Tweet. What are you looking at me for? What are you looking at me for? What have I done? Come on. Come on then. What's the matter? What are you looking at? Are you looking at me? What? Oh, you're a bit wet, are you? You looking at me, gal? Come on. Have a worm. You want me to do it for you, don't you? Eh? Yes, you do. You cheeky bugger. You cheeky bugger. And yeah. You cheeky bugger. That's what you are. You're a cheeky bugger. Yes, you are. Come on then. Bring your fat juicy worm out of the garden in a minute. Come on. He's filming you. He's filming you. You're a star. Aren't you? You're a star, Tweet. Good girl. Go on then. You want that one? Go on then. You have that one then. Hey, it's bedtime soon, you know. You know it's bedtime soon. And like all kids, you get annoyed, don't you? When you got to go to bed. When you go to bed, you like all kids, you get excited. Yeah. You had a good day? You had a good day? You've been outside, haven't you, flying amongst the trees, and you still come back. Hey, don't you? And you still come back. Want to come on my finger? Don't you come on my finger? Oh, hey, excuse me. I'm not a towel, you know. No. Come on then. Want to come on my finger? What? You still wet? You still wet, girl? You still wet? Good girl. Who's a good girl? And Tweet. Your tail is about 3 times longer than when we first got you. And that's why you can fly so well now. Couldn't fly at all when we first got you. Hey, could you? Yeah, it's a good girl. Got some more? No? You gonna take off? You've plopped. Fortunately, you've plopped on here. And she's nice and easy to clean. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. She looks around. And she's inquisitive. She investigates. Good girl, Tweet. Come on, Tweet. Go on up then. Go to the. Come on. Go to the. That's it. Go on. Up you go. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Tweet. Good girl, Tweet. What's you going to do? You're drying out now. I'm going to do some bird watching. I'm bird watching. This might end up on YouTube. You realise that, don't you? Hey, you're a good girl. You're going to come up on here. I tell you what, you could look at yourself. Come on, come and look at yourself. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? That's Tweet. Yes, it is. Go and have a look at yourself. Go on, you have a look at yourself. Go and have a look at yourself. Go on, there you are. What, you want some more food? You want more food? Oh, I'm going to get you a juicy worm before bedtime. Alright. Go and get you a juicy worm before bedtime. You're a good girl, aren't you? Eh? You going to come on here then? What? You going to come on here? Come on then. Come on then. There's a good girl. Oh, look. There's Neil. Look at Neil. Look at Neil. What are you doing? You're wiping your beak on my arm? Eh? Sure. What kind of restaurant do you go to, eh? Well then. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. Good girl. Preening now. She's preening. You preening yourself? Eh? If you could talk to me, you would, wouldn't you? Eh? You would if you could. Good girl. Good girl.
I say the cats are in and out now, so we need to
Okay.
keep this door shut, Gary.
Okay.
Because they like to come in here, don't they?
Yes. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. What are you doing? Are you going to poop on me?
Housekeeping's been in.
Are you going to poop on me? Are you going to poop on me? Eh? You're still drying herself, Jane. Still...
Well, you've got to keep your feathers in order.
You got to keep your feathers in order, yeah.
Ooh.
Do you want to go down into there then? Go on then. Go on then. No, don't come up. Don't come up. Get that. Go down. That's it. Good girl. That's it. Go on then. Look, what are you doing? Do you want to go?
I want to be with you.
I want to be with you.
That's me, Mummy.
There's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Hey? Who's a good girl? Hey?
That little thing would never have survived.
She wouldn't have survived on her own, no.
Beside that
There was no
mum.
mother.
There's no mother.
There was no mother around. No.
She still had all the fluff.
No. Look at this tail. It was about that. It was like that, wasn't it?
Yeah. The thing is, still got a bit to grow.
It's just got more to grow yet, but it's growing very well.
It's getting there.
You're getting there, aren't you? And you've been out for the past 3 days, and you've come back. It's not exactly as if we've not kept you in a cage, have we?
Well, that's what I don't want.
Eh?
I don't
Well, we have at night time, but
I don't like it in a cage.
no.
I don't want it to be in a cage.
But unfortunately, there are a lot of cats around here, so.
There are anywhere, Gary.
Oh, I know.
But if she can stop sitting on the ground and get herself up in trees, she'll be alright. Each day she'll improve.
Well, the bigger she gets, the less likely they are to attack her.
Yeah. Well, she did a lot more today than yesterday, and hopefully tomorrow will be an improvement again.
Yeah.
But it will be long before she.
Come on then. Come on. On my finger. There's a good girl. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
That's one to do that.
Say, tweet Neil. Tweet Neil. Go on, tweet Neil. Hey, tweet Neil. Go on. Hey. Me and you do a lot of tweeting on the internet, don't we? Hey, don't we? We do a lot of tweeting on the internet. You and me. Yeah.
She's not singing yet, is she?
She's not singing yet,
She's not
no.
singing yet.
She chirps, but she doesn't sing.
See if it sings.